This has been going on for the past hour. I'm in that room on the other side right here. I can't study because this bird, bro. Look at him. He's just chilling. He's being a jerk. Why? What do you want? Bird. What do you want? Why? Wait. Oh shit. Hold on. How close can I get? Yo. He doesn't notice a thing, dog. Oh shit, I think he sees me. Shh. Oh, there's another one behind him. Oh shit, he sees me for sure. He's keeping an eye. Stay still. Oh no, come back, bro. Why do you want to get in here? What do you want? Oh, he's coming back. He's perched up on a cinder. Yo. Yep, there it is. Get a bit closer. Oh, he sees me. Oh, is he going away? Oh, I got too aggressive moving. Come back, boy. Nah, he's gone.